Good afternoon. My name is Presentacion Alvarado, and I will talk about myself and my daily routine. Okay, I'm start. Hello, my name is Presentacion Alvarado. I'm 18 years old. I'm Colombian. I live in Villavicencio Meta. I speak Spanish and a little English. Um, it's difficult for me to speak English, but my pronunciation is good. Uh, I think. Um, I am studying multimedia engineering at NAT. Um, I really like to play video games, go to walk, listen to music, watch videos, um, no more. And I don't like noisy places. It's awful. Okay, these are my typical activities of my day to day. I get up at 8 in the morning, brush my teeth, go to breakfast. Then after taking a shower, I help to clean the house. At 12, I have lunch, and then I wash the dishes. From 2 in the afternoon until 5 or 6 in the afternoon, I do my university work on the computer. At night, I have dinner at 7 p.m. Then I play video games until 10 p.m. or 9 p.m. And then I shower at 11 p.m. and go to sleep at 11:30. No more. Maybe maybe 12 to 12 or 12:30.